What's up, beautiful people? Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is still Alex Sterling. Yes, so today is 26th of June, and then tomorrow is going to be 27th. Of course, my birthday is always on 27th June, and the reason why my birthday is so important to me is because I remember back in back in Ghana or back in my country, my birthday didn't really mean a big thing to me. You know, it was never a big deal. But until I came to this country. So now let me give you a little story. Back in 2019 January, okay. So yeah, it's a new year, of course, and people just go all about their resolution, what they want to do in the upcoming month or upcoming year. But people were just writing a lot of things, and then I just said to myself, I've never had any big surprise on my birthday, and 27th is my birthday. Good Lord, I just want you to surprise me with something. And guess what? 26th, I got my ticket and everything ready, and then 27th, I came to Qatar. So every 27th June is a very big deal to me in this country. Yeah, because yeah, a lot of memories, a lot of things did happen, and I'm really grateful. You know, sometimes you just need to hold on to your dream, hold on to your passion, things that you know, you just want to do. You just need to keep the desire burning, you know. So a very good friend of mine decided to surprise me today, and guess what he did? He booked a hotel for me to just, you know, come and change my sleeping position. Maybe I can sleep with one of my legs here and the other one here. So I didn't want to come, but since he's a very good friend, he's a very big man, of course there was no way I was going to say no. So I said, okay, it's a 5-star hotel, one of the residents for the FIFA World Cup. Well, I checked it on Google, and it was quite interesting. I said, voila, just let me come and then spend a night over here. So I'm going to show you around. I've already checked in, but I'll just walk you through everything later. Yalla, let's go. I need to share trust again, right? All right, thank you. It's floor. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to my room. Let's check around the elevator. It's beautiful, man. It's like a 7-star elevator, you know. So we go into my room. Let's go. Are we lost? Here, or here? Come on. If you want to visit me, yeah, you're allowed. Probably the time you might want to come, I've already checked out. Oh, come see. We're already inside. I'm going to leave my access card here so it doesn't get missing. It's a beautiful place. Ah. I don't have a nice view because, you know, but it's as if I have a choice. I don't have a choice. So you can see there are still a lot of hotels being built for the World Cup. So I don't have much of a nice view. But yeah, this is my kitchen. I'm going to prepare breakfast in bed. This is the fridge, I think, because I've been here already. This is water. That's the freezer. So I have one room here. I'll put on the light. There you are. If you want to join me, you can come. Oh! Guys, I recommend you to try this. See, I'm even doing a free promotion. That's a promotion. I'm doing a free advertisement for Aleph, right? Aleph Doha Residences. So I recommend you to try it out. It's really a very cool hotel. The whole construction view I have. It's okay. This is my bathroom. It's nice. What is this? Oh, cool. Yeah, so that's my bag. Let me show you the other room. I think I need to put on this light. Oh. So I'm going to keep my money here for the night. Just my wallet in the safe. don't even know the password. Never said that. Let me open this. Oh, you know, because I can't remember. It was December or January, somewhere around. And then I said to myself, like, I think it was on the radio. There was a commercial, and then this guy's like, yo, so it's New Year, we are going to review the resolution, blah, 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 and all of that. I just said to myself, I've never had any big surprise on my birthday. I just want to... But then I had this passion of, you know, coming to Qatar here because I had a lot of friends, Collins, they were here, you know. They told me that living over here is not that bad. That was then, you know, you can, as a young man, you can just come and try make some more cash for yourself. You know, you need to do it now whilst you are still strong. You know, our bones are still stronger, all of that. So this is the time I think we can make living, we can make life, you know. So yeah, I took the advice, especially Collins. Let me feel at home. So I took an advice, especially from Collins. Yeah, guys, I think we've done a lot of talking already. I think I've already showed you the place. But you know, I went to, how many floors do we have? I think 52. Yeah, so I went to the rooftop. I think that is where we have the best view. That is where we have the pool, the sauna, the gym, and everything. So I'm going to change, and then we will go to the gym. So guys, we are already here at the pool. There are families here, so you know we cannot interact with them. But you can see for yourself, they have a very nice view. Doha is has really developed, you know. Yeah. I spoke with one friend of mine. She's like, Doha is just like Dubai, but more exclusive. Yeah, and then I think I agree with her, you know, because Dubai is like the whole place, you know. But Qatar is like a hard place. If you want that place to come chill, come work, make money and enjoy at the same time, you know, unlike Dubai. Well, I'm not saying Dubai is not a good place. Of course, certainly it's a good place as well. But okay, guys, so we're in the locker room now. There is one for the ladies, and then this is for the men. So I was given access to this one. I'm gonna keep my things here. So we are here, and there's a disclaimer. Please don't try this at home. Okay? Don't try this at home. Oh, nice. Yalla, I'm also going to try my best. Oh man, guys, the steam room is amazing. Let's close this door. The sauna on. Oh, so I need to stay here. Bye bye, guys. So, Charlie, I need to say today is one of the best days in my life. Yeah. And at the hotel, I'm feeling cold. Just came back from the pool. I found a brother here. I think he's also a YouTuber, and he works at the reception. So I want to ask him just a few questions. Hi, what's up, bro?
Hi.
Good.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good. Yeah, so I'm here with my brother. Okay. I am Malik. Yeah. I'm very good. So what is the service here? What do you have? How much is it?
We have the swimming pool.
Okay.
Gym.
Okay.
And also we have the spa.
Okay.
Swimming lessons also we have the spa and swimming lesson. We have the third-party equipment outside.
Okay.
Also we have the conference room over there and the sauna, steam room, and changing.
Good.
And I'm going to show you today what we have.
Oh, so this is for the swimming, right? For the pools.
Yeah,
People can come from outside.
Yeah, everyone can come from outside. We have the rates, and the weekdays it will be 100 riyal for the elders, and the weekend 150.
Okay.
And for the kids it will be weekdays 50 riyal, for the weekend 75 riyal.
So what about ladies? Because I have some lady friends. They want to.
Yes, we have ladies time for the gym and pool. Also for the pool we have Tuesday and Saturday.
Okay.
Saturday we have 11 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Oh.
And Tuesday we have 3.
Okay.
Here is the prices. You can see the prices for the weekdays and weekends. Also these things for the swimming items what we have sale.
Good.
So
Ice
from
cream.
here you can see the ice cream. Let's go to the gym.
Okay.
You can see from there. If you like to work out between the clouds, you should come by the
Exactly. Guys, my new good friend is showing me around the place.
Yeah.
And,
We'll go to the meeting room first.
Mhm.
Then
Okay, so
I'm going to show you.
okay.
I'm going to show you the best thing. What we can show you. I'm going
Okay.
to turn off the light and you can see the view. How is the view?
Ah, nice.
Let's see. Yeah.
Ooh,
So there.
this is the best view.
You can see the city center side.
Yeah,
City center view.
it's nice. Where is the center?
Yeah, this one. City center.
Oh, just here, right?
Yeah, this is.
Now we're going to the male changing room. Yeah.
Let's go. Yes, when you come here, you can take the lockers if you want. We provide you the free lockers.
Oh, same like the one with the pool, right? It's in.
Same.
Ah, yeah.
Also, we have shower room.
So,
And here we have steam room and the sauna.
the sauna here also.
Who will be in the room?
I already tried. It was nice.
Who will be in
nice.
the room? The residents, the free of charge. These things.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's go to the pool.
Pool,
This is the highest indoor pool in the Doha.
Oh, really?
Yes. You can see.
Highest indoor pool in Doha. Sawadee-kan. Guys, this is the female changing room. Yeah, the pool is for male and both female. Yeah.
Lifeguard. 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 And in the female changing room also, you can see the same facilities. Same room here. And also the sauna. We have the separates for the male and female. And shower rooms. And changing room also we have. And towels.
So guys, I'm still rounding around. My good friend is showing me around.
Massage.
Yeah, let's go see the massage room.
Yes.
This is where people come in to get massage.
Massage room. Tennis spa.
Hi.
We have a good therapist from the Thailand and Philippines.
Thailand is the best.
Yes.
Yeah, so he's done showing me around. He's such a nice person. All right, brother. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your time.
Okay. It's been a great day. It's been a great day. It's been a great day. This guy said something that I'm surprised. He said this is the highest indoor pool in the whole of Qatar. So guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, today is day 2 and I'm still at the hotel. I've had a lot of messages from friends asking me that, where's the party? Where's the party? Hello guys, no party. Yeah, I'm broke, man. Yeah, so I'm going to check out tomorrow, which is 28th. Yeah, tomorrow 28th will be the day that I check out. But today I'm still on a quest of still exploring the place, so I'm going to go to the gym. Yesterday I wanted to go there, but there were guests over there.
so I couldn't really, get to interact with the instructor. But yeah, I'm going to go there right now.
Salam alaikum, brother.
Alaikum salam.
Everything good?
All okay. How are you?
I'm good. Nice. Let me. Okay, so yes, brother, how are you, man?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very fine. You're the instructor here, right?
Yeah, I'm the instructor.
Nice. Can see nice body.
Yeah, my name is Godfrey.
Okay, nice. From
Kenya.
I'm also from Ghana.
From Ghana.
Yeah,
Pleasure.
Yeah,
Africa.
nice to meet you too. So I want to know about this gym. Is it for only hotel booking, or you can come as an outsider also?
You can come as an outsider.
Okay.
Which we have monthly charges, membership, and then we have you can come as a day pass as well.
Okay.
So if you come for monthly, now we're having an offer of 750. That's for both the gym and the pool.
Oh.
And still is covering, you can use sauna and steam. And if you want personal training, we're giving personal training as well.
Okay.
So if you want to be like me,
you
come here. We'll fix
the name of the place again?
This is Aleph.
Aleph. The number one instructor in the Aleph.
Yeah.
He has the big arms, you can see.
Yeah.
From the Kenya, number one.
Okay, the place is Aleph Residence.
Okay.
Okay, this is the highest gym in Doha.
Oh,
The whole of Qatar.
I thought you only had the highest indoor swimming pool.
No, this is the highest gym in Doha.
Oh,
So
that's nice. It's my pleasure to be here.
You're most welcome. All right.
Thank you, man.
Tell you guys to come and check it out.
Okay.
Check it out, huh?
Yeah, I'll definitely tell them. Yeah, guys, you heard it all. So this is like the highest gym in the whole of Qatar. Yeah, no doubt. Because I already told you this is like 52nd floor, right? And yeah, you can see the whole of Doha. Yeah, I know the glass is a bit dusty, but yo. Yeah, guys, so I think this is going to be the end of today's video. Not today, in a way, but I think I started yesterday, right? Yeah, and I'm ending today, so I'm going to catch up some sleep. I have some sort of relief, at least. So, guys, I'm really grateful to all my friends who wished me happy birthday. So I say thank you, and may the good God bless you. May He grant you all your wishes. And never stop believing in yourself, just keep pushing. And also, if you are new on my channel and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. And then, yeah. Reverse dancing. I say, one lose today like this.